Hi, I'm Michelle Swanson with Prospect Mortgage, and I'm here today to talk to you about the USDA government loan that's available. Now, some people think that USDA, they deal with apples and potatoes and wine, and some people don't realize that they actually do home loans in Washington State. Now, the interesting piece of that is that the eligibilities for different folks is different. However, the beauty is that it's zero down payment. So therefore, you can purchase a home in what would be considered a rural area and have zero down payment. And the beauty is that if the seller agrees to pay your closing costs, you ultimately could get into a home for no money at all out of your pocket, which is much cheaper than paying rent or first and last payment. So USDA, the interesting piece of that is that in the government shutdown, which hooray, we're finally back and the government's back working here as it is October 22nd of 2013, the government's back, and during the time of the government shutdown, the website for USDA was down. And unbeknownst to us, when it just came back up last Friday, they have changed their website completely. So what is a USDA loan and what are the eligibility requirements? So there's two types of loans that you can get with USDA. There's what's called a direct loan, and then there's what's called a guaranteed loan. Now, most lenders are going to offer you a guaranteed loan, and the reason is because it's a much easier loan product to be done, and the requirements is that you can make up to 115% of the area median income. So the question is what is that amount? Because it's also not only limited by area, but also by the income that you make. So if your household income for 1 to 4 people is under $93,450, you qualify. And in this area, that's great income. So people are very surprised that they would actually qualify. And so a direct loan, usually you'll find those at a bank or a credit union. And for one person, the maximum income they can make is $45,500, and 2 people in the family, $52,000, and then it goes up on a scale from there. The thing that's great about the direct housing loan is that there's actually a subsidy that is available to applicants to enhance the ability to repay their loan. So for some folks who think they may never be able to be a home buyer or a homeowner, there is some things and questions to be asked to see if you might qualify. Along with that, so if you're interested in finding out about the areas and the income eligibility, you can actually go to the USDA website, which is rurev.usda.gov. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see a toolbar that says housing. And then you can look down there and it will say find income and housing eligibility. However, if you're interested in this information, why don't you give me a call, email me, or come to my website, whatever is easiest and able for you to communicate and you're most comfortable with. My phone number is 425-776-1450. The email address is michelle.swanson@prospectmtg.com, or you simply can go to my website, which is at myprospectmtg/mswanson, and I look forward to hearing from you, and my team is here to support you. Have a great day.